The mood just hits me, and I have to go live and say that it's me. As to why I can't deny, it beats me. I got to go online and say hello to those who will in turn greet me. I do my own laundry at home. I'm all alone, and if I wasn't, you can be sure I would be annoying somebody with my singing fake songs. Oh. Hey everybody. Would you agree, first question, that this is a maddening time of the year because it's not quite fall, but you'd be really trying hard to say it's still summer? These days have no flavor, is my point. These days have no flavor. Where'd the flavor go in these days? I don't know. It's pretty bland, isn't it? I mean, if I were 13 years old, I'd be staring at the pair of shoes that my parents got me for the first day of school, but be yelled at for wearing them. If I were 13 years old, I'd be wearing them inside the house. I'd be wearing them right now. But I'm not 13 years old. I'm a grown man. And I'm doing laundry. So tell me that you would agree, right? Like, I mean, some people are going on vacation now, but those are people who worked all summer, like on tour and stuff. I did not. Worked for half of the summer. Half day. These days have no flavor, is my point. You know, am I alone in thinking that every year the VMAs just get earlier and earlier in the summer? VMAs is a back-to-school event. Maybe that's what bothers me. You know what? Half joking about this, half being serious. Maybe that's what bothers me. VMAs, you're supposed to have your trapper keeper. You're supposed to have your backpack. You're supposed to maybe have done 2 or 3 nights of schoolwork before the VMAs come on. I do not like a summer VMAs. These days have no flavor. These days have no flavor. Shawn Mendes, how are you, man? I was working on that song all day today. You know when you're halfway into a song and it may take more rewriting than you think, but you know it's worth it? Yeah, that's where I'm at. I had a 9 to 5 today. Went in the studio working on a song. I think I'm cracking the code very well. Guys, I don't know if you can hear me. Post Malone just FaceTimed me. Like he FaceTime requested me, and now I can't see. Can anybody see me? Because I don't think the camera works. This seems to be some sort of a bug. Post Malone, thank you for FaceTiming me and throwing off the whole thing. Are you in now? Let me see. Post is here now. Oh, I don't know how this is supposed to work. All right. I had a thing going, but you know what? If someone is going to come knock you off of Instagram Live, it should be Post Malone. Oh, Post is with Sean. That makes sense. Okay, well then, let's get them both on. These days have no flavor. Okay, I'm going to sign off and back on again. All right, hold on a second. Everybody, hold on. Okay, guys, I got booted off because Post Malone FaceTime requested me, and that threw my camera out of whack. But then I found out that Post himself was with Shawn Mendes after the venerable VMA Awards, which is redundant. It's the VMAs, or the VM Awards, or the V Music Awards, or the Video Music A's. It's really up to you now. The rest of the world is all up for grabs, so you might as well just rethink that as well. Let's see if Sean and Post are ready to go. For those keeping track of my laundry, I was just moving some stuff from the dryer. Now I'm doing some laundry with the John Mayer, the laundress collapse. What's up, guys? Why can't we hear you? Why can't we hear you guys? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? No? I can't hear you. This is a real missed opportunity, guys. This is a real missed opportunity.